Top 7 Compact Teardrop Trailers for Small SUVs in 2025. Picture this. You're cruising down a back road in your regular SUV. No giant truck, no oversized fifth wheel. Just you, the open road, and a teardrop trailer that feels like a mini cabin on wheels. That is exactly the magic of teardrops in 2025. They're light, stylish, and built to follow you anywhere, whether that's a national park, a hidden trail, or even your own driveway. Today we're counting down 7 of the best compact teardrop trailers you can tow with a small SUV in 2025. If you love clever design, budget-friendly adventures, and honest specs, hit like, smash subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our camper roundups. Let's dive in. Number 1. TAXA Cricket. The 2025 TAXA Cricket base starts at $34,500 with a dry weight of 1,753 pounds and fits snugly in a standard garage. It boasts smart storage solutions, a 2-burner all-weather kitchen, panoramic swing windows, and comfortable sleeping space for 2 adults and 2 kids. The Cricket Overland Edition ups the MSRP to $38,250 with similar specs. It is still garage-friendly without slide-outs, but upgraded for rougher terrain and overland adventures. For families, design lovers, and sustainability-minded adventurers, the Cricket stands out by blending space, lightweight efficiency, and adaptability with a contemporary feel. If you're all about smart design, lightweight, and proper ventilation, drop Cricket Crew in the comments and we'll share pro tips on maximizing storage, ventilation, and comfort. Number 2. nuCamp Tab Series. nuCamp is a premier builder of handcrafted teardrop trailers like the Tag, Tab 320, Tab 360, and Tab 400, all compact and lightweight. Each model blends old-school retro curves with modern conveniences such as ALDE heating systems, high-efficiency windows, sleek cabinetry, and carefully crafted interiors designed for comfort on the road. The Tab 320 is their most iconic model, while the Tab 400 stretches the space for travelers who want more comfort without breaking SUV tow limits. Meanwhile, the Tag offers the simplest, lightest experience for minimalists who love efficiency. With pricing that typically ranges from around $15,000 for the Tag up to about $45,000 for a fully equipped Tab 400, these classic designs are lightweight, garage-friendly, stylish, and durable, perfect for couples or solo adventurers chasing simplicity with a touch of retro charm. Number 3. MyPod Teardrop Trailers. The MyPod Teardrop trailer weighs a mere 630 pounds, making it one of the lightest towable campers on the market. This trailer is ideal for even the smallest SUVs or cars. With such a featherweight design, it's a fantastic choice for first-time owners who want to experience RV life without upgrading to a larger vehicle or worrying about complicated towing logistics. Despite its tiny footprint, the MyPod is surprisingly functional. Inside, you'll find a full-size bed, interior lighting, 3-speed fan, window shades, and a built-in entertainment center. A roof vent keeps airflow moving on warm nights, and there's even enough room to stretch out comfortably. The fiberglass shell construction not only keeps the weight down, but also makes the unit aerodynamic and durable for long road trips. The MyPod is also garage-friendly, meaning you won't need to find a special parking spot as it fits in most standard home garages. That makes it one of the most convenient options for urban adventurers or weekend warriors who need compact storage. Ultra and simple, the MyPod is perfect for solo travelers or couples who want an affordable, easy-to-tow option for quick adventures. With prices typically starting around $12,000 and topping out near $15,000 depending on options, it's the ultimate grab-and-go teardrop for anyone on a tight budget and tight tow limit. Number 4. Two Pines Teardrop Trailer. Launching in 2025, Two Pines is set to release an all-new teardrop trailer, along with a gear hauler variant aimed at outdoor enthusiasts. Designed and built tough for Canadian terrain, this trailer emphasizes durability, insulation, and versatility. At its core, it comfortably sleeps 2 inside, but with the optional rooftop tent add-on, capacity expands to 4. Expect features like aluminum bodywork and modular storage solutions tailored to off-road travel and overlanding. The company's focus on customization means buyers can choose packages that best suit their adventure style. Pricing hasn't been finalized, but expect it to land under $40,000 depending on options. Number 5. Timberleaf Trailers. Timberleaf trailers, handcrafted in Colorado, are some of the most admired teardrops on the market thanks to their balance of design, durability, and customization. Their lineup includes models like the Classic, Pika, and Kestrel, each tailored to different types of travelers. The Classic is their flagship, known for its spacious interior, panoramic skylight, and beautifully finished wood cabinetry. The Pika is a smaller, more nimble version built for rugged trails and tighter SUV towing capacities. Meanwhile, the Kestrel focuses on being ultra-lightweight and budget-friendly while keeping Timberleaf's signature craftsmanship. Buyers can choose between street, all-road, or off-road packages, meaning your trailer is truly built for your style of adventure, whether you're sticking to highways, venturing into forest roads, or tackling remote trails. Off-grid options like solar panels, roof racks, and all-terrain tires make them ready for extended boondocking trips. With pricing that typically starts around $8,500 for the entry-level Kestrel and can climb past $25,000 for a fully outfitted Classic with off-road upgrades, Timberleaf offers a wide range of options to fit different budgets and needs. Number 6. Hiker trailers. Hiker trailers are all about simplicity, affordability, and customization. Built in Indiana and Colorado, they offer several base models you can configure to your style of camping and SUV capabilities. Their lineup includes the Highway Light starting around $4,999, the mid-range XL at about $9,999, and the rugged Extreme off-road version that tops out near $14,999. Each trailer starts as a durable, insulated shell that you can customize with windows, doors, roof racks, and interior layout. The result is a trailer that feels tailor-made for your adventures, whether you want a lightweight weekender or a beefed-up off-road rig. With dry weights typically staying under 1,500 to 2,000 pounds, even small crossovers and compact SUVs can tow them with ease. Another bonus: their boxy profile and flat sides maximize usable storage and give you more flexibility for gear add-ons compared to curved teardrops. Plus, you don't have to break the bank to get into the RV lifestyle. Hiker offers one of the lowest entry points in the market today. Budget-friendly and highly customizable, Hiker trailers are ideal for value-conscious SUV owners who want control over their build without compromising on weight. Number 7. Go RVing. According to Go RVing, today's teardrop trailers typically fall between 15 and 30 grand, stretch from 13 to 20 feet in length, and remain light enough to be towed by most family cars, crossovers, and small SUVs. Despite their compact size, they're cleverly designed to maximize livability, usually offering sleeping space for 2 to 3 people, a basic galley kitchen, storage solutions, and sometimes even a wet bath. What makes this teardrop trailer appealing is its accessibility and versatility. Families who do not want the cost or hassle of a full-size RV can still enjoy weekend trips, road tours, or national park adventures without needing a heavy-duty tow vehicle. For many, teardrops represent the sweet spot. They're small enough to park at home, yet large enough to provide comfort and independence on the road. The Go RVing teardrop trailer is relevant today because it shows that compact teardrop trailers are accessible, affordable, and versatile for everyday SUV owners who want freedom without the stress of a large RV. Whether you are after lightweight teardrops or rugged custom builds under $50K, your small SUV is more than equipped to tow adventure-ready gear. If you're going solo or bringing the family, there's a compact teardrop trailer ready to elevate your 2025 road trips. Which trailer makes you want to hit the road? Comment below with your favorite and tell us which SUV you'd tow it with. We'll help you weigh spec by spec whether it's a perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay tuned for more camper roundups and towing tips.